Allen, and I'm going to create a rule to watch all file activity for a certain user. So the first thing we have to do is we have to go over to Rules Management, and there's our local rules. We just add an Odyssey rule, and we say Watch Frank. Oop, might actually hurt to, and we add this file name filter of all files, so just an asterisk, because we want to catch everything that he does, and we want to have a username of asterisk.frank, asterisk/frank, because this is the username we want, but we have to put this asterisk slash in there first to make sure that we pick up the domain name. Most of the usernames that come through either have a domain or a machine name, and then a slash in the actual username. So we're going to pick up everything they do. We want it to apply to everybody, and that's good enough. So let's just turn it on and see what we can do. So we have a command prompt here running as Frank. So what we're going to do is we'll take a directory, and there's a file there called 150.txt. So let's go ahead and type it just so we can show that it's read, or better yet, we just do notepad 150.txt. And you can see there's a whole bunch of stuff that actually ended up happening in this case because Windows started up Notepad. And probably is a little bit overkill for what we want. So what we might want to do is change this a little bit and do things like add an exclude rule. So if it's on C:\Windows asterisk exclude it, because we don't want to watch those and we don't want to watch folders. There we go. So let me look at this rule real quick. So we want to watch everything that Frank does on anywhere on the drive on the machine, but exclude any file opens or any activity in the C:\Windows folder. That'll get rid of all this nonsense that we don't care about. Anyway, you can see that FileSure is doing what it's supposed to be doing. We're recording all the file activity. Of course, all this is going into the audit log, and you can do what you need to do.